If you're feeling stuck, or you just can't seem to break through that invisible metaphorical brick wall, or get above that glass ceiling, then it's got a lot to do with your beliefs, your patterns, and certainly your mindset. Welcome to Life Coach and NLP Practitioner. My name is Rick Schnabel, and I want to give you a sense of what you get from this dynamic training. Now, the very first thing that you're going to learn is you're going to learn about how your mindset, that is your neurology, determines your very outcomes. We're going to show you how powerful these insights around neuro-linguistic programming and life coaching can actually be for you. So if you totally want to transform your life and you want to shift things, or you want to be the best coach that the world has ever seen, then this is a mandatory training. This particular training will give you the power and the insights and the tools, the technology, the latest cutting edge ways that you can turn a person's behavior completely around or help them to achieve goals. This is the training for you.
I've been doing personal development for more than 10 years, and I truly believe that this is the missing piece of the puzzle. The value I now have on myself and the value that I now know I can give others is honestly amazing. Thank you.
Once you start believing in the magical, you can create the impossible. You can shift beliefs that have been holding you back to create a bigger, brighter future. I have, and I know you can too.
Hi, I'm Joseph Trad. I'm 17 years old, and if you want to build your confidence like I have, this is the course for you.
So let me give you some insights as to what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to get rid of a person's beliefs. Their very beliefs and their patterns that keep them stuck. See, a belief is just simply like an on or an off button. Now, if a belief is on, that is, you believe that you can get a job, for example, then your neurology will be set for doing everything you possibly can in order to present yourself as a worthy candidate. However, if you believe that your button is off, that you will not get a particular job or a role or whatever is on offer, then you will unconsciously sabotage your behavior and your efforts, and therefore you will not get the job. So you will be proven right. Your belief will be true, because I don't know about you, however, most of us do not like being wrong about anything. And typically, if we believe something to be true, we will actually ensure that it is, even if it's not in our best interests. So what you're also going to learn is you're going to learn how to become a master of rapport. How you can actually build your relationships through your physiology, through your tonality, through your breathing, through your blinking, through your patterns and your behaviors. And you're going to learn how to allow people to feel comfortable in your space. You will also become a master of success, because you'll be given specific formulas, models that are proven to work time and time and time again. And you're going to learn how to model success. In fact, we're going to teach you how to actually also model not success. And that's really useful, particularly when you're working with phobias and fears and people's patterns. We're going to show you how to work out how someone is creating a specific phobia, for example. And we're going to teach you how you can determine how our neurology keeps that pattern perpetuating again and again and again, and then once you learn it and once you know what it is, you can break it. You can purposely get in there and blow it apart. So therefore, that person can have like a debilitating phobia, like a phobia of snakes or spiders or heights or anything for that matter, and you can break it within minutes. That is a powerful technique to learn, and it's one that can really, truly be transformational. You're also going to learn how to improve your memory, how to be able to take in data and information in your mind so you can remember people's names, you can remember information, you can remember everything that you really need to and that's important to you, so you can conduct yourself far more professionally in your career, or as a student take in far more data and retain that information. Now, there are specific strategies in order to do that, and it's in modeling. And much of NLP is very much about modeling, learning how to model success and learning how to model not success so you can break patterns and turn things right around. Now, another thing that you're going to learn is how important emotions actually are to creating an outcome. Now, your emotions, let's call your emotions your emotional state, to make this really simple to understand. Have you ever been happy and had sad thoughts? Or have you ever been sad and had happy thoughts? Chances are the answer is no, until you transition from happy to sad. But typically when we're really happy, it's difficult to have sad thoughts. And when we're really sad, it's difficult to have happy thoughts. So our state, how we actually feel, determines how we think, and it certainly determines how we speak. So we're going to teach you a technique to actually change your emotion in a finger snap. And when you can change your emotions in a finger snap, then you can manage your thinking. This is a hugely powerful insight and some really, really good tools. You're also going to learn the art of hypnosis, the art of conversational hypnosis, so you can speak to people and they can then listen to what you're saying and it causes them to feel a certain way. And that is the master Milton Erickson language patterns and techniques. So we're going to teach you how to help people get the results that they really want without them realizing that they're actually trying on new concepts that you're giving to them. And these concepts are going very, very deep into their unconscious. You see, our unconscious determines 95% of everything we do. 5% of what we do is conscious. So most people are trying to change at a conscious level and they really don't have enough control in order to really get the results they want. Because most of our programs and patterns, in fact the large majority, the lion's share, is all unconscious. So you're going to learn how to actually learn and master language patterns. Equally, a story. The story that you keep telling yourself is the life that keeps showing up for you. So we're going to teach you techniques on how to turn your story around to make it empowering and then build the sort of neurology that goes with that, the images, the feelings, the sounds, the self-talk, to really move your life forward. Now, this particular program, expect to really move ahead quite quickly, because this is an intensive program. And in this program, you will learn how to build your charisma, to be a master of success, to switch your beliefs very, very quickly, to break patterns, and you're also going to master the world's best coaching systems. In essence, this program is going to teach you how to design your destiny. So all you have to do is come into this program with a raft of issues and problems and come with some ideas of what you'd like to create in your life. And in this program, we will teach you how to actually do that.
Hi, I'm Hamish. I've just finished NLP Practitioner Level 1 and I have had an amazing journey. I came in here with not knowing where I wanted to be, but I'm leaving here with so much clarity of who I am and what I'm going to be doing with my life. This is an amazing process that if you're thinking of doing it, absolutely incredible. So thanks, Rick, and thanks all the friends I've made. It's been fantastic.
You just need to do it because it is amazing. It will change your life, and if you really want to have the breakthroughs and really clear your things away and help other people, this is definitely the way to do it.
This has been one of the most life-changing experiences ever. I can't speak highly enough of Rick. He has done enormous things for this group. I have had a massive shift in myself that not only has changed me, but it will change all the relationships and everyone that I interact with from now on. If you do anything in your life, I would recommend that you do this course because it will change your life.
Wow. It's like the garbage removalist of NLP and coaching. It gets rid of all your crap, it leaves this beautiful empty space, and then it fills it full of tools and blueprints and exciting stuff that can turn any vision into gold.
This program is life-changing. And again, the most important thing you can do is do one more thing beyond listening to this video. Enroll. I encourage you to enroll into this program because if you want the life shift, the question is, what are you doing in order to create that life shift? Or if you have goals, dreams and desires that you want to achieve, what are you doing in order to create those? This particular program will help you to align your neurology with your goals and your dreams and break those patterns of the past that have been holding you back.